Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create cinematic video clips in VideoExpress version 3.0. In a previous video, I showed you the workflow I use to create music videos, so feel free to check it out. You'll find the link in the description section. So I created this singing photo of a song that is 3 minutes and 6 seconds in duration. And instead of playing the full singing photo, I decided to create B-roll cinematic footage in order to retain the attention of the viewers. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use VideoExpress to create this B-roll footage. First of all, I use Grok AI. You can use ChatGPT as well or any other AI. I pasted the lyrics of the song into Grok and then asked it to create image prompts for various scenes, as you can see. I also asked Grok to create video prompts for each of the scenes, as you can see here. So now let me show you how to take these prompts and create cinematic animated scenes in VideoExpress. So I'm logged into my VideoExpress account. Click on Create with AI in the right side toolbar, and then choose Create Video from Prompt. You'll see this dialog box pop up. Choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with vertical. Next, in the image prompt box, enter your image prompt for the first image. And then using this drop down, I'll choose photorealistic cinematic. I'll uncheck this box and then check this box for use consistent character. This will help us maintain consistency of character in all scenes. Next, I'll click on reference photo, then open the images folder, click on upload file, and then I'll drag and drop my image here and click upload files so it uploads it. And then I'll close this dialog box. So here is the image. I'll select it and then click choose. Next, I'll uncheck this box and then click on create image. It will then start generating the image based on the prompt, and it usually generates 2 images, as you can see here. You can hover your mouse over a specific image and then click the save button to save it to the media library. So I'll select this image and enter my video prompt into this box. I'll check this box for advanced mode. Let me scroll down, and then I'll check these 2 boxes, and then I'll use this slider to extend the duration of the video clip to 10 seconds, and then click on create video. It will process the video clip, and you'll see this notification saying that it will appear in the media library once completed. You can then continue creating your other images and video clips using the same process I showed you. And then once you're done, you can close this dialog box. And in the right side toolbar, I'll go to the media library section and then open the My AI Videos folder. And here is the video clip we just rendered. You can then right click on it and click play, which is what I'll do. And here's how the video clip came out. If you're not happy with the video clip, you can click the redesign button. So let me close this dialog box. If I go back to the media library, you can see all of the video clips that I rendered. And here are some of the scenes I generated. And to see all of these video clips in action, you can check the music video that I created. You'll find the link in the description section, which is on my Facebook page. But that's pretty much it. If you'd like to get VideoExpress for a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.